Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I would go ahead and do a haul for you guys. So I bought some stuff from Sephora and some stuff from Ulta in the past, I would say like month or so. But I haven't been on YouTube for so long that I just haven't had the chance to show you guys any of the stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. And I also want to point out that I'm not wearing any makeup, just my eyebrows, because I'm going to be filming a tutorial and I decided, okay, let me just film the haul first and then I'll do the tutorial because tutorials take hours to do. Here I have my lovely Sephora bag. And it's a little beat up because I just kept it right there so that I can remember everything that I have that I haven't used. I have Sephora, Ulta, and MAC actually. So I already, in a previous haul, showed you guys the lavender, I think it's lavender reflex. And this time I decided I would get the little, star ones. So I'm working on something like a little project of mine. I'm actually going to be releasing my own like glitters. So I'm working on that. So I've been buying all like kinds of glitters, all different brands, just to see like which ones are my favorites, even though they're glitters. And yeah, I've been working on that, so I should have like my website up and running and everything on sale like on the website shortly, but I will keep you guys posted if you guys are interested. So I want to do glitters and eyelashes first. So I don't know, we'll see what happens in the next couple weeks. And yeah, this is what they look like. They're really pretty. I think I'm going to, if I don't use this today, I'll use it in like the next tutorial that I do. But I really like this. I also really want the hearts one, but I don't know, we'll see. Depending on what I end up doing for my own glitters first. So when I purchased the MAC stuff, they were having a 25% off sale. So I decided to get a few colors for my eyeshadow palettes that I didn't have. So I got 4. I got the color Rudy, which I want to say I have, but I'm not entirely sure. But I think I already have this. But if I do have it, I'll just give it away. And then I got this one that I know I don't have, which is called Shock Factor, and it is a neon green color. Vex, which is supposed to have like a green to purple reflex to it. So this is Vex. And then last but not least, I got a really just standard neutral color, just Terra Tint. And yeah, I love having colors like this all the time, so I got those 4 colors and the glitter. And oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Okay, so these next 2 items from MAC were, I guess, my most exciting purchases. So these 2 products were my most exciting purchases from MAC, and this is the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. And yeah, I decided to get Gold Light just because right now in the summer I do want to have that like golden glow to my skin, and this is perfect for that. I've worn it a couple times already and I love it. And to go with that, along with that, I decided to get the new Fix Plus Gold Light as well. You shake it up and then you can see all the little like the color in there, the sheen. It's not glitter, it's just like a nice sheen. So if you want to get this, but you are afraid that it's going to have like little glitter particles on your face, that it's going to show up as little glitter particles on your face, don't be worried about that. This is not like the Cover FX one, the illuminating one. I felt like left little like flecks of shimmer, and I wasn't a fan of that one. So yeah, this one I really like. I use it, I've used it about 4 times already, so I really like it. So yeah, for MAC that was it. So now I'm going to move on to Ulta, because I got a bunch of stuff from Ulta. Now I love it when Ulta does these sales where you either buy one get one 50% off, or like things are like half off. So there was this random day I was just on Instagram and I saw Trend Mood post that Ulta was having the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadows for half off. And I was like, whoa, I need to get those right away. Since they were $14.99 each and I like them so much, I was like, you know what, I need to get a few of these. So I got Wonderlust, which is like a golden pink color. Like it has like that shift to it. I got this one and I already used it on myself and I used it on a client and it was just stunning on her eyes. And I love this one. This is probably one of my favorite ones that I have in my collection. And yeah, I really like this one. This one is, like I said, Wonderlust. So yeah, that one is, so yeah, this one is Wonderlust. Smoldering Satin. Okay, so there is Smoldering Satin. I also got Gold Goddess. So yeah, Gold Goddess. So there is Gold Goddess. I love that one as well. It is perfect for the summer. I need to use this next. So I really want to do a tutorial of this. Just look at how gorgeous Gypsy is. That is beautiful. And excuse my nails, but I've broken a few and I haven't gone to the nail salon. Sticking to like the glitter theme, because I don't know what it is with me lately. I've been obsessed with glitters personally, and probably everyone else. I wanted to get some of these Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadows. These released, I would say like a month or so ago, and I was right on it when they were out on Ulta, because I didn't want to buy them directly from the website just because I wanted to get my Ulta points, you know. So yeah, I got 4 of them. So this one is Teal Me Not, and just look at how beautiful that is. I already used this one yesterday, but I didn't like how the tutorial came out, because not because of this eyeshadow, but another product that I'm going to show you guys really just messed up the whole look. So this one is Teal Me Not. This is one of my favorites, and this one sold out on Ulta really quickly. I don't know, I keep saying that's my favorite, but then I think all of them are my favorite. Now, I don't know, I didn't mention that they come with a little mirror, which is a really cute touch because you can actually see your whole eye. So this is really, you know, a cute little compact. So this one is in Sizzle, and this one is a red color. It is beautiful. It's red with little specks of silver. You wouldn't really expect that in a red, but it looks beautiful. In case you're wondering what they look like, I did already do an Instagram look with them on Instagram. So I think I even did a pictorial with them. So you can go check that out. Now this one's really pretty. It doesn't look like that impacting on the pan, but it's a really pretty green with teal reflex. So yeah, this one is Night Sky. Now this next one I'm pretty sure I'm going to use today. This one is Heart of Gold, and just look at how beautiful that is. So I also picked up another one of these Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. This one is in Coral Crush. I've seen this one on Instagram a lot, and I just wanted this color really badly. Even though I'm not like huge on bright colors, I feel like when I wear a bright color, I really have to like it, you know? On Ulta, NYX, when I made an order on Ulta, NYX was having a buy one get one 50% off sale. So I got these Vivid Brights. Now, I used this one yesterday. I was trying to do a cut crease with a negative space down the middle, and it looked beautiful. But once I put this yellow on there, I just completely messed it up because the yellow was cracking like crazy. It just looked horrible. I didn't like the way it looked. Like, there was just no way of me saving it. I tried going over it with another yellow color, but it just looked really bad. Sapphire. I'm just going to try to use this one on the lash line, but I'm not going to try to use it like I was trying to use the yellow one, because they do crack, you know? So yeah, I got those two colors, and then I got two of matte black ones. I've heard that these are really good, and I think it was Crispy that was saying that these are just as good as the NYC liquid eyeliners that sadly were discontinued. This one is by Eye Candy Cosmetics, and I accidentally got the black one. I wanted to get another color that I saw, and I accidentally got black. And I also got some eyeshadow palettes at the Morphe store, and I got this setting spray, which is really hyped up. Jaclyn Hill always talks about how amazing this is, so I wanted to try it out, and I think it is pretty good. I really like the way the mist goes on the face. It doesn't feel heavy. And then from Sephora, I got this Christian Dior Hydrolife Micellar Milk No Rinse Cleanser. And I bought this because Casey Holmes was saying how much she liked it to remove her makeup, or just to like cleanse her face throughout the day. And that's what I've been using it for. I really like the fact that it leaves your skin feeling super soft. But I do feel like I wouldn't use it to remove like my whole face of makeup, just because this is pretty expensive. Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm glad I got this one and not the rose gold one, because I got it right before the remastered one came out. So I don't know if it was already off the shelves or what, but I'm glad I got this one, you know, because that would have really sucked. Yeah, this is what the palette looks like. I used it once just to like try it out, but I haven't really used it like as an eyeshadow palette. Like, I haven't done any looks with this. So yeah, this is a Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I don't know if I showed the Pat McGrath Mothership palette, the small one, the Bronze Ambition. I got that one recently as well. Like I said, I got a couple Morphe palettes, which I'll talk about in another video because I want to share some thoughts with you guys. And yeah, so that is pretty much everything that I've gotten over like the past month or so. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup haul. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!